Everything destroyed during creche fire at New Life Preschool. Not a pencil was saved in creche fire. A fire left kids at New Life Preschool with nothing when it ate everything on Sunday. Computers, printers, toys, and books were all destroyed at the creche in Mkhuhlu Trust, outside Hazyview in Mpumalanga. The residents watched helplessly as the fire raged for hours while they waited for firefighters. The owner, Isabel van der Linde, told Daily Sun that there was absolutely nothing they could do to save the house, as it burned to the ground. Van der Linde said she received a phone call at about 17:15 p.m. When she arrived at the scene, she found people gathering in the street. My neighbors were on their roofs trying to put out the fire using hosepipes. We had to watch as the house burned to the ground. The fire destroyed everything. There was not a pencil or a piece of paper that could be saved. Anyone who is willing to lend a helping hand is welcome to contact Isabel at 082-561-6838. Calcutta Police Station. Commander Colonel Yunus Mayindi said a case of arson is being probed.